So if we want to find a mass row, first, it's a lot of methods. For example, we can call that mass row could be the matrix 0. We make it as a max row, and then we also told that index of mass row equal 0, and then we can search, right? We search the other part and check whether it's have the who is the largest row. So for I, or for row in range, we started from 1 because 0 as we default. We set it as a mass row, and we will find the other one. Is there anyone is have larger? So the matrix. I have to spelling the wrong way because that the answer will correct, because originally I just spelling wrong, so you have to be wrong all the time. But just a name you can determine by yourself. Okay. Okay. So if we can use this, function. Some matrix. If the matrix are, some of the matrices are larger than mass row. Larger than mass row. Then, sorry. Then the mass row will be replaced as this one, and the index of mass row will be replaced as, because now it's R, right? It replaced until it's R. So the logic is we set the first one as a max. If anyone larger than that, you can replace them, and we will find it from the next. So the range will from 1 till the end of the matrix. Okay. So finally, when the loop is finished, so we will say that the mass row is, when the loop is finished, mass row. And the index of the mass row is the index of the mass row, right? Try. Oh, the callable larger. Let me see. Matrix. Mass row. Matrix. I just spelling wrong, right? Mass row. Yep. Yep. The mass rule have to be sum of mass rule. Yep. So because if you do not have the sum, it's just a list. But now this is a value, right? So it can be that way. No, int is not callable. Let's roll. What happened? Let's roll is sum of matrix 0. Can be. Oh, because I also this part I use the sum. It seems cannot use the same name, but I think we did delete this part. I think make this different part. Oh, not support. Why? So this is not proper. What's wrong? Line 26. Math row. Sum. Int object is not callable. Int object is not callable. Matrix. Okay. If I delete this part, still wrong. We need to debug now. Still wrong. No support between int and list. Int and list. Last row is sum, right? Oh. It's a sum. It's one is an int. It's an integer. It's a list. Yes, we have to do that. Okay. Debug is finished. True. Okay. The math row is 24. The math row is 2. I think I think that is because the sum, I use the sum twice. Actually, I make it as a variable. If I use the sum t, maybe that is without a problem because I use the same function, the same also one sometimes as a variable, sometimes as a function because in this part, I use it as a function. So I think have to be separated. Yeah, I think that is proper because originally I used the sum as an integer, and after that I also use it as a function, so it will be have some problem. So the math row is 24 and the index is 2, right? Yeah, math row is 24 and is 2.